Redeeming your Zumiez points is really easy to do, and you actually cannot do it on the computer. It's way easier if you go in store and just enter in your phone number or email at checkout associated with your account that has the points on it, or you can actually use the app. These are the two easiest ways. You cannot do it on the computer, unfortunately. But if you are in store, you just tell them your phone number, or if you're on the app like I am. So here, basically what you want to do is you log into your account, go to the home screen. You can see I'm on the Zumiez app, and you can see I have 1,200 points right now. And basically every single time you complete this ring on the screen right here, it'll basically give you rewards. Now 100 points is about $1, so you cannot just redeem points constantly, but you can see right here, once you have enough points to actually redeem this will give you a $20 off coupon to any Zumiez gear imaginable. Now this $20 coupon does not include other stuff that are not Zumiez products, such as limited time offers. You cannot use it on everything, but it'll basically give you a large discount, and you can actually redeem it just on this page like so. And once you have done that, basically at the checkout option, you can add your code, just see on your bag right here. Proceed to checkout. You can do this on your computer too. And basically you want to enter in your information, and there'll be an option on the checkout option, delivery or pickup in your store, to actually add this coupon code of these codes that you've actually purchased using your points on that screen I showed you. But you cannot redeem the points constantly. You do need a threshold. You need to reach that before you can actually redeem them and buy these discounts, coupons.